Good PM. Today is November 6, 2023, Monday. And here are the 3 PM STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City, Underlock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, November 6, 2023. Here are the SL Sur 3 PM result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Monday, November 6, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for afternoon of November 6, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.